Okay, guys, welcome back. As the last chapter of the dictionary, we're gonna do this advanced practice together. Okay, it says create a C# program that declares a dictionary where the key is string and the value is a custom object. It's like the employee that we defined in the previous video. The program should define a class student, like the classes of employee, with properties ID, name, and grade. Initialize a dictionary with keys as student names and values as student objects. Okay, the key should be string. Add at least 3 student objects to the dictionary. Iterate through the dictionary and print each student's detail to the console. And the result should be like this. Name, John, ID 1, grade 85. Okay, let's go for it. So we have our previous codes here, like var codes, new dictionary. Okay, this one should be string and this one should be student. Okay, we didn't define student, so we will go for it. Okay, same as employee that we had in here. I'm going to define a new class for student. Okay, and it says name, ID, grade. Am I right? Yes, name, ID, grade. Okay, we have student. Okay, ID, we can say ID here. We have name and we need grade. And here for this student, we need ID, we need name, and we need grade. Okay, let's clear all these. We need ID. Okay, don't want D to be uppercase, we just need ID equal ID. Name equal name and grade equal grade. Alright, so far we have our student object. So here, for our dictionary, we can now define student as the object. Okay, what are these? I don't need them. Yeah, let's get rid of all of them. Okay, here we have dictionary name code. So let's back to the practice. And okay, initially the key. Okay, the key is student name. Should be student name. And the value as student objects. Alright, we change these to students. I don't need this. Okay, just to get it simpler, students add. Okay, now we define the key, which is the name of student, John, and the value. That should be new student. And now the ID. Okay, let's see. ID is 1, grade is 85, name is John. John 185. Okay, one, uh, John, 85. Let's define more students. Okay, I guess the syntax should be like this. Okay, the syntax is correct. Now we miss parentheses here. And Alice 290. Okay, Alice is 290. Good for Alice. And Bob 378. Bob, Bob, not Bon. 378. Okay, these are our students, John, Alice, and Bob. And we're gonna just iterate them as it says. Iterate through the dictionary, append each student begins with console. Okay, I'll write them in student. This value, yeah. Then we just bring out the item. Okay, we have problem. So let's solve the problem. Okay, I place the students itself. Now we want this syntax. So this is the key. Yeah, this is the key, which is item.key. There is the name of them, so we can just say name item.key. Then we need the ID of them, which is the number of that ID. And we can say ID and then item.id. Item.id, item.value.id, because it's under the value. And then I think it is grade. An item. Yeah, that's correct. The value grade. Let's see. Yeah. So if you run that, yeah, name John, ID 1, grade 85. Just need to define this stuff here. Okay, I think that's correct. Name John, ID 1, grade 85. Alice, ID 2, and grade is 90. Bob, ID 3, grade is 78. Okay, since we're using key here, we can just use the name. Doesn't matter because we define the name. We can just write the full name of the John Wick, for example, Alice Sandra Bob Smith. So if we run it like this, it would be only the key, the first name. So if we see, yeah, John, Alice, but if we change it to the value that name, we will have the full name of them. Okay, John Wick, ID1, grade 85. Yeah, I think that's it for this practice. Thanks for watching.